Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your ingredients and equipment. In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallow jello. You'll need one 6-ounce package of your favorite gelatin flavor, 2 cups of boiling water, and 2 cups of cold water. Don't forget 1 cup of miniature marshmallows, which are key to this delightful treat. Make sure you have a 9 by 13-inch pan ready for the chilling process. Now let's get that gelatin dissolved. First, empty the entire 6-ounce package of gelatin powder into a large, heat-proof bowl. Next, carefully pour in 2 cups of boiling water. Stir the mixture continuously for at least 2 minutes. It's important to ensure all the gelatin granules are completely dissolved, leaving no residue at the bottom of the bowl. This step is crucial for a smooth, consistent jello. This is where the magic happens. Once your gelatin is fully dissolved, add 1 cup of miniature marshmallows directly into the hot mixture. Stir gently but consistently. You'll notice the marshmallows slowly melting and incorporating into the gelatin, which typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The mixture will transform, becoming a bit cloudy and slightly thicker, giving it that signature marshmallow jello texture. Almost there. Now, add 2 cups of cold water to your marshmallow gelatin mixture and stir it thoroughly to combine everything. Carefully pour this mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Place the pan in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or until the jello is completely firm. For the best texture and a perfectly set dessert, I recommend chilling it overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.